Want to share documents, slides, or any file with everyone in a Microsoft Teams meeting instantly and without confusion? You're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to share files during a live Teams meeting so your whole team stays on the same page. Let's jump right in. Access Microsoft Teams. First, log in to your Microsoft Teams account. You can use the desktop app or simply go to teams.microsoft.com in your browser. Sign in with your work or school credentials to get started. Join or start a meeting. Next, head over to the calendar section on the left sidebar. From here, you can either join a scheduled meeting or start a new one. Once you're inside the meeting, you're ready to share. Open the meeting chat. Look at the toolbar along the top or bottom of your meeting window. You'll see a chat icon, which looks like a speech bubble. Click it to open the meeting chat pane. This chat thread is where the file sharing magic happens. Initiate file sharing. In the chat message box, you'll notice a paperclip or files icon. Click that, and Teams will open a file upload menu. Choose your file source. Here's where Teams is super flexible. You can pick a file from your computer for something saved locally, OneDrive for cloud documents you already store online, or recent files for anything you've worked on lately. Navigate to the folder you need, select the file, and you're almost done. Send the file. After selecting your file, simply hit Send. Teams will instantly share the file link or thumbnail with every participant. Everyone in the meeting gets a notification and can open or download it immediately. No waiting, no emailing, no hassle. And that's it. You've just learned how to share files in a Microsoft Teams meeting like a pro. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, foolproof tech tutorials. Now go ahead and make your next Teams meeting truly collaborative.